currency devaluation, the outcome is still binary. You either let everything collapse or you devalue currencies, and then that music just keeps on going. So binary choice, TJ. What are they going to do? Is the party going to stop, or are they just going to keep spiking the punch bowl?
No, yeah, they'll definitely. It's always easier to print more currency than it is to sell assets and realized actual losses and have to pay back your debts. I mean, to put it in kind of simpler terms, what's happening is a lot of people owe. Everybody owes the U.S. money, right? Just like the U.S. owes a lot of people money, and when the dollar is more expensive, it gets harder to pay that back with their own currency. So if they're in say you're in Brazil, for example, and you're using their currency, and
The
now
lira, I think.
whatever it is, it's not as when the dollar gets more expensive, now you have to use more of your money to pay that back. So you either turn around and sell gold, which you don't want to do. You're trying to hold as much gold as you want. Nations are kind of like crypto degens; they never want to sell their crypto, or they never want to sell their gold. So instead, they'll just print more of their currency to pay back their U.S. debt. So which makes the dollar even stronger. And it's very similar. Somebody was just talking about in the chat how correlated the S&P 500 is with Bitcoin a lot of times, and it's because it's a very similar concept. People want to hold their assets, and they don't want to, they don't want to sell it for dollars when the dollar's getting stronger. So
yeah, I said real. What did I say? I said
lira. I think you said
lira. So it's L.
Lira.
Yeah, it's switch the 4 letters.
Yeah.
Real. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was trying to say it before someone typed it in as Fred. Thank you for correcting me. You do got the smart chat. Yeah, people do like the entire market breakdown. Sometimes Bitcoin collapses and we're like, oh, is it something Michael Saylor farted? No, sometimes there's broader issues at hand here. And so now, when you're seeing the strength of the dollar just basically skyrocket, things are going to come down, folks. That's just how it is. It'd be interesting to look at Bitcoin's prices in other currencies, maybe weaker currencies.
Mhm.
They're not seeing the type of declines that we're seeing today. Josh, what are you thinking? Besides, I see you're getting teared up over here. Right?
I'm crying over here, man. I'm drenched, dude.